Keep that line moving, watch the gap. Steady boys, easy now, right this way.
Keep them moving straight. Keep them moving steady. Stay within the safety markers.
Got it, boss. They're clear.
All lines are moving, directing herd to Sector 4. Continuous fresh water keeps the livestock healthy.
The quality of this feed is excellent. Yes, make sure to spread it evenly down the line.
The intake numbers are consistent with the projection.
Good. The quality seems optimal as well.
The liver function looks good, but I'm seeing a slight anomaly here.
Understood. I've updated the registry.
Respiration steady, coat condition excellent, book for next quarter.
Yes, doctor. Move in the next group now.
Status on chute 3?
Clear.
Clear. Data uploaded, send the next one through. Siga adelante.
Eso es. Vamos.
Keep them moving.
I found a small imperfection near the edge here. Yeah.
Yes, mark that for trimming.
The grain profile on this batch looks excellent.
The output quality on the last batch was excellent.
Yes, the adjustments we made to the rollers seem to be working.
Send the next batch to Station 3. Acknowledged. Moving now. We need more brown leather over here.
The flow rate on Unit 3 seems slightly off the baseline.
Let's cross-reference that with the humidity sensor.
Check the consistency on this batch. Looks good, I'm logging it now.
Dimensions are perfect.
The moisture level is stable at 45%. Good. Maintain the temperature and the rotation speed.
This batch is ready for shipping.